If you want to learn 3dsMax completely with VDB, Tyflow, character animation, After Effects, Phoenix FD, Fire and Liquid simulations, you can go ahead and take my course. Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to use Tyflow VDB to create some animation. So first of all, let's create a torus like this. Increase the segments. Okay, now we are going to create a Tyflow. First of all, we are going to create a simple Tyflow for it. Go to open editor. Okay, now we are going to use birth objects. Inside the birth objects, pick this torus, and then okay, so we unhide everything. We are going to use birth particle to give birth to particles. Change the end value to 0, decrease the value of the particles, and now give these particles position of our object, and then give these particles some shape. 3D sphere mid resolution. Change the geometry, change it to geometry, give these particles some scale like this, change the value to 500, and now we'll give these particles some speed. We don't want our particles to leave this object, so we are going to use object bind. Okay, now inside the object bind, make sure it is set to lock to surface, snap to surface, friction to 0. Okay, so now our animation is running. So it's time to create VDB. So first of all, hide, no need to hide here. So what we are going to do, we are going to create birth VDB. Okay, and then inside the birth VDB, we are going to use object to SDF. In the object to SDF, we are going to pick the torus, and now our torus is converted into a VDB. Right now you can see that it is not smooth enough. Just don't worry about it for now. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to convert these spheres into VDB particles. So what we are going to do, we are going to use particle to SDF, and inside the particle to SDF you can check this button and it will convert the particles of this event into VDB. If you click here and turn off the display of this particle, you can see some dots, and these dots are our spheres. So go to timing and change it to continuous, and you will see the thing going on here. Okay, now in the particle to SDF, change it to shape radius, and our particle now this is the shape of our particles. So this is the first thing you can do. The second thing is you can do is to change the operation to intersect, and there is nothing much going on here. Change the operation to subtract, and this is what the real magic lies. You can see that the spheres are eating our torus our torus object. Okay, the problem here is that the quality is poor right now, so we have to decrease the voxel size, and now you can see quality has been improved. Okay, now if you want to give it more smoothness, you can use VDB filter, drag and drop it, change, make sure it is set to mean, and now you can see that the smoothness, you can increase the width to 2 to give it more smoothness. You can change the value to median or Gaussian. like this. So that's it, and in this way you can create type Boolean VDB subtraction animation. So this is my channel Zeon Horizon. I upload lot of videos on Tyflow, 3DsMax and Phoenix FD. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content for you to learn and inspire from.